Everybody loves a ballpark dog, but I don't think everybody has tried this technique before.
I think some people have, but they're used to using some sort of fancy equipment in order to get the technique that you're talking about.
You can do this at home today, and all you need is a knife.
That looks way too perfect for you having done that with a knife and just your own skills.
Well, that's very sweet of you to say, but I did do it all by myself.
How?
And we're gonna show you right now, breaking it down, and I shot this in multiple angles because it is a little bit confusing. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of moving things. There's a lot of swapping directions, but it's super easy.
Okay, wait. First things first, what kind of dog are we talking about here?
Ballpark dog.
Dog or sausage or knockwurst or what are we?
You can do it with a knockwurst. You can do it with a ballpark dog. You can do it with a red hot, regular hot dog.
Okay.
So you can do it with any type of processed sausage like that. So what you're gonna do is slice it in half and then start scoring it, okay? You can do a finer score, so like just doing the lines closer together, or you can do them farther apart. You flip it around, you do it on the other side, and then look at how cool that looks.
That's it?
That's literally it. Have you never done this before?
No. I literally have never done this before.
What?
I don't eat a lot of sausages, Maddie.
You can do this with a vegan dog.
Now I kind of want to do that.
I would love to see this with a vegan dog.
Okay, I'm having vegan dogs for dinner, so I may do that.
Tonight?
Yes.
Okay, please do. Different angle. Slice it down the middle. Okay? This is where everyone can see what's happening here.
Now, my question to you is, why are you cutting these down the center?
This is known as a split sausage, and it is an absolute game changer. The reason why I do a split sausage is because, I don't know about you, but when I'm eating a sausage on a bun, sometimes when you go to bite it, you don't get the proper bun to sausage ratio. You either bite past the sausage, so you get all bun, or you bite the sausage, you're not getting really that much bun. So if you do a split sausage, you can stack them and it becomes more of like a sandwich type of scenario.
Okay, now I gotta be honest with you, I don't know if I'd like this. Because when I used to eat sausages, a lot of sausage talk in this video. I know they're gonna come in the comments, but look at me. But I personally, when I used to eat sausages that were like processed like this, that had that really crunchy crust, I liked a snap. When you're eating a sausage that had that big snap.
That's also what the good part about this is. You still get the snap, but it's in a more like controlled way in a way. Because if you split them, what I don't like about a whole sausage is that you can't get on enough toppings. Mm-hmm. I like a sauerkraut on there. I like an onion. I like some diced pickles. But if you do that, they just fall along the side of the bun. Mm-hmm. But if you do this, you stack them and then you put the stuff on top and then it reacts like a sandwich.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so now that you've seen this, do you think you could do it?
Yes, I thought there was more to it. I did think that there was. I think
a lot of people do because it is one of the most impressive things visually. But then when people find out how easy it is, they're like, "Oh, I can do that. I don't need any fancy device for that."
No, it does seem. I thought it was way more complicated. I honestly did. I didn't know what you were doing. Whenever you do this,
I'm in shock that you've never done this before.
No.
And you call yourself a grill master, buddy. Do it tonight on the vegan dog. I need to see that because I also want to see how that will react.
Me too. Now you got the Ninja wood fire. You're using the grill function. You got it on high. Are you using any smoke?
No, because these are a pre-smoked sausage.
Okay.
I found them smoky enough. But you can do this on any type of grill. I don't want to tell people this because we're grill masters, but you could even do this in the oven and it works.
Really? Like on a tray? On a sheet tray with them facing down like that?
You gotta do them face down. I will say on the Ninja, why I like doing these better on the Ninja is because they don't curl up. So if anyone is familiar with a spider weenie, we all know what a spider weenie is. You know how that's the benefit of a spider weenie. You slice them, they curl out like little legs. They look like an octopus or a spider.
That's a spider dog. I don't know why you're taking
weenie.
Into weenie.
Okay, I like saying the word weenie. Okay, but so on the Ninja, something to do with the airflow on the Ninja, they don't curl up. So in the oven, you'll get curlage, and on a regular grill, you'll get curlage.
So could you do this technique if you didn't cut it down the middle? Because I'm not crazy about that.
Yeah, you can do so
on a whole dog.
That's up to you. You're wrong. Let's just leave it at that. But that is up to you if you don't want to do the split.
Half nonsense.
You just do it on, instead of cutting them in half, you just do it on both sides. Okay. Now watch this. This is how I serve them.
Okay.
You don't technically have to use a sausage bun for this. anyone who's seen these buns before, these are the Costco cheddar buns.
Ooh.
I am absolutely obsessed with them. And if you'll notice here, that is 1.5 sausages. So the way that you split them and cut them, you can get 1.5 sausages on there. One sausage is never enough.
And for a bun like that, it would just be like sitting right in the middle, literally right in the middle, with like so much bun on either side.
But see, this is why you split, baby.
Okay, I get it now.
This is why you split.
That's
okay?
like a sausage sandwich.
Yes, but
I get it.
And it's not like
Rubbing it on your pants. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you're gonna do that when you're cooking outside and you forgot to bring out paper towels.
Okay, what's this now?
Okay, so that's that branch that we used the other week.
Oh, that stuff smells so good.
Yep. Okay, just having a little issue opening it
Yep,
there. But
okay.
see, this is to me what is the benefit of this type of splitting in the scoring. Because it's like a sandwich, you can really build it like a sandwich. Like on a sausage, you always got to be like, what side am I putting the sauce? Is it am I going over the top? This way, you're literally just acting like this is a sandwich.
Now, this may seem obvious, but as someone who has never done this technique before, why are you taking that time to make those cuts on it?
Again,
Like I'm legitimately curious.
No, anytime that you're cutting into something like that, scoring equals more browning, equals more flavor, equals more crispiness, okay? So you still get that snap that you said, because you do still get that into that skin. But anytime you're cutting something, it's good. Like, come on.
Yeah, but I don't know about you, but I feel very satisfied when I'm grilling a sausage and it takes its own time to decide where it's gonna bust open.
No.
You know what I mean?
Sorry, absolutely not. You're saying that because you've never tried this before. Try it tonight. I'm gonna get a text at like 7:30 at night being like, Matt, you were right.
I don't know if vegan dogs will do this though.
They will.
I'm curious.
They
I have
will.
to do it now.
They're just as processed as this kind of sausage.
100%.
Okay, and look,
That does look spectacular.
Even though I'm making an absolute mess of myself, as I always do, this is much easier to eat. Because, again, like with the sausage, you're either getting too much bun or too much sausage in your mouth, and that's not what I'm after.
Dad.
Okay, but you know what I mean.
It was bound to come up in a sausage video. I'm
Not
surprised
that
it tasted
I got
this
sweaty.
well. You're bound to have so much sausage in your mouth.